Is a fishing rod an absolute must-have for a bug-out bag? Well, let's see, let's figure it out. I am former CI officer Jason Hanson. I love gear, I'm an absolute junkie. Anytime I go into a gear store, I'm like Bill Clinton going to an all-female college. I'm in heaven. So, should everybody have a fishing kit in their bug-out bag? I'm gonna show you one of the ones I have. I'm gonna open this up a bit. This is one of those compact, transportable, portable fishing kits. I'll open it up. Nothing crazy out of this world here. Let's plop it down here. That'll make it easy. Obviously, I have my rod. Obviously, I have some hooks, some of my stuff. And of course, we got to have our line. So I got plenty of line there in case I need to. And of course, I have a reel. So very simple, nothing fancy, very compact fishing rod. Well, guess what? I don't think it's a must-have. I have one because I have a bug out location not too far from my house and it has a small pond where we can go fishing. Also at my house, there are lakes that are not too far. So I know how to fish. I don't hate fishing. I'm competent fishing. I used to fish all the time as a kid in the mountains of Utah. So I like fishing. But if you live somewhere where there's no lakes around, no rivers around, you've never fished in your life, you hate fishing, I don't think it's a must-have. So you've got to obviously have a significant amount of survival food stored, survival food in your bug-out bag and all that thing. And again, for a guy who just geeks out on gear and loves it, yes, I have one because I've got the lakes and all around me, so it's kind of a no-brainer for me. But I don't think you absolutely have to have it. This gear bag here, because obviously this goes inside of here. And yes, it does fit. My favorite gear bag in the world is by a company called 3V Gear. They're also based out of my home state of Utah. Go to 3vgear.com if you want to see it. I'm not going to go over this now, but this is my bug out bag, so you can see all the stuff I have in it and everything. And then again, I take this out and slide it. So do with it what you will. Have a fishing kit, don't have a fishing kit, but whatever you do, make sure you have plenty of food already so that fishing isn't your only option to rely on. Okay, I got to run today. God bless you. I'm former CI officer Jason Hanson, and stay safe.